Mr. Harrison Ford, Indiana Jones.
Let's hear it for the cast and filmmakers of Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny!
Okay, one last thing. There are three indispensable people without whom none of us would be here tonight, and that starts with the person who created Indiana Jones, George Lucas. The person who is Indiana Jones, Harrison Ford. And the person who is the glue to all five of these films that gave us all of our rhythm and all of our melody, the great maestro, John Williams.